The stone forest or Shilin is a notable set of limestone formations about 500 square kilometers in area located in Shilin-Yi Autonomous County, Yunnan Province of China. The forest is approximately 90 kilometers east of the provincial capital Kunming, the tall rocks seem to arise from the ground in a manner somewhat reminiscent of stalagmites, with many looking like petrified trees, thereby creating the illusion of a forest made of stone. Since 2007, two parts of the site, the Naigu Stone Forest and Swagei Village, have been UNESCO World Heritage Sites as part of the South China Coast.
The stone forest area was a shallow sea some 270 million years ago. Extensive deposits of sandstone overlain by limestone accumulated in this basin during the Permian period of geologic time. Uplift of this region occurred subsequent to deposition. Later, exposure to wind and running water shaped these limestone pillars. These formations extend as far as the eye can see, looking like a vast forest of stone. Hence the name the stone forest.
According to legend, the forest is the birthplace of Ashima, a beautiful girl of the Yi people. After falling in love, she was forbidden to marry her chosen suitor and instead turned into a stone in the forest that still bears her name. Each year on the 24th day of the 6th lunar month, many Yi people celebrate the Torch Festival, which features folk dances and wrestling competitions.
The Sani people celebrate their national festival, the Torch Festival, every lunar year on June 24th. They take part in traditional performances such as wrestling, bullfighting, pole climbing, dragon playing and lion dancing, and the AXI moon dance. During this time, the stone forest is alive with a particularly joyful festive atmosphere, making the area even more attractive than usual.